Ladies and gentlemen of the Titan Talk community, what we have here today is my custom true dual exhaust setup. I use the lead pipes off of my old Spintech true dual exhaust, mandrel bins. That goes into an 11-inch Magnaflow. After the muffler, we got a crush band pipe going to two 2.5-inch Wicked Flow resonated square tips side exit, which I think looks fantastic. Leaves plenty of room underneath for a 35-inch spare tire to mount in the stock location. I'll give you a startup video. Alright, now let's take it for a spin so you can hear it on highway speeds.